Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the Dow Jones ETF ticker symbol DIA. Currently we are down 45 basis points, and on the 1 hour chart we are turning negative on the MACD. On the 4 hour chart we are also heading towards negative territory on the MACD, but I do believe we will find support on the 50 moving average right here, and that should coincide with the 9-day moving average right here. So I do see this as support. Other than the 9-day moving average, the past resistance also coincides with that level as well. So that price is at $264.85. So this is our first support. And as for resistance, well, resistance back from, I would say, we still have not hit all-time highs yet, so that is at 269 and 28 cents. I do see that a possibility of us hitting that soon. So if we were to continue on higher, that price movement is about 1.17% move up, and to reach the support, that price movement is roughly fairly close, only 21 basis points, and it could be a good possibility we may hit that. We still have 3 hours left in trading to hit this support area, the 9-day moving average. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to August 20th, 2014 to November 13, 2014. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we have candles above the middle Bollinger Band and slowly deteriorate at this point, touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here. And then another further down, touching lower and also the bottom Bollinger Band as well. And then we proceeded to reverse very quickly and touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. And as you can slightly see, we may see some sideways action in the coming days. So some consolidation and reverting to the mean. And right here, we are starting to see the similarities in the beginning above the middle Bollinger Band, and then slowly deteriorate, touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and then once more down here as well, and then a quick reversal and touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. And this should be green, and as I said before in the previous trend, or the trend that I just did, we are starting or may see it sideways, or more preferably to the upside soon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points as well. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The forecast and outcome would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day, where Dow Jones, or DIA, went to back in 2014 right here. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then the Dow Jones was only up around 75 basis point. So we have a slight up chance, but very little. And here's the line graph that I compared it to, the current trend right here, and the 2014 trend overlapping quite nicely. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.